Okay, as you might know, my t-shirts have been kind of low lately because I don't have a lot left. A few of them here and there, mixed in all through all the junk around here. So we just got a new load in. So we got a couple to choose from here. So we have a car full. We got boxes and boxes and boxes full of shirts all through here. That's why I drive a Cadillac. We carry a lot of crap in a Cadillac. See, the front and back seat's full. Trunk's full. So we're waiting for shirts. Time to get the list in. We got some new ones in. So what are these things here? These are short sleeve, front something. We don't know what's in these boxes yet. So anyway, we'll be opening this stuff up, see what we got. So if you want any shirts, get your list going. We'll be on there by the weekend. Alright, let's see what we got in shirts. I haven't looked at these things yet. I ordered these things months ago, so we don't know what we're getting. That'll be a surprise. Yeah. Here, we get one of those, whatever that is. It's like red. Look like red big ones. Oh yeah, those are big. There you go. Put two of me in it. How big are these damn things? Jeez, what did I order? Oh, jeez. You big boys are going to be happy out there. 5X. So we got a non-pocket or pocket? No pocket. These are short sleeve. Obviously they got the big logo on the back. Alright, what did we put on the bottom this time? They went back to the old logo again. Yeah, I don't remember what I ordered. It was so many months ago. I sent them all kinds of stuff to do. We got. Oh yeah, looks like we got some big shirts in now. Big boys are going to be happy. Yep. Or if you need room for two. Alright, let's see what else we got here. Oh good, we got some black. Oh, that ain't black, that's blue. Navy blue. New color. Oh, these are my hoodies. Oh yeah. What did they buy? I don't even know what we got. Alright, what is this thing? That's a hoodie. Well, it's got a zipper in it. Hope you like zippers. So there you go. Zipper hoodies and what, pockets too or something in the front maybe? Oh yeah. Got your foot warmers in there. So there you go. You want some hoodies with zippers in them? We got them. What size this one is? It's not big. Oh, independent brand, good brand. Yeah, it's a secret what size they are though. Oh, 3XL. That's for big boys too. Alright, let's get a box of those. Let's have some shirts in there. This is a short sleeve something. Oh, another new color. Surprising you. Ooh, I got a label. People said they wanted white. I don't know why. I work in a white shirt, it'll be black. Ooh, camera didn't like that light. They don't like white. Logo looks good on there though. Jeez. There you go. White short sleeve. So, new color. And all kinds of different ones. Yeah, what do we got over here? Got something normal? Ah, here's a black. Got a black one over here. Alright, we finally got a color I like. Not really. I like gray. And turquoise. I like that one. Oh, these are orange. They're not black. So you can't go by labels. They don't tell you anything. So it looks like we got orange. Must be a long sleeve, or got really long short sleeves. We got gray. Nice. So, looks like they didn't wrap them in plastic this time. They were supposed to do that. See, normally they're wrapped in plastic so they don't get dirty. Oh well. I guess in 6 months of waiting you only get what you get. Yeah, I like when I tell them that. They'll be happy. I just noticed that too. Alright, where'd my knife go? Let's see, these are the more hoodies. Yeah, these are the thick ones. No zipper. Looks like you got tape though. No extra charge for tape. Assuming that's tape. No, that ain't tape. Oh, that's stuck on there. Uh-oh. Looks like a manufacturing defect. This must be the display model here. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Oh, I saved it. See, I can work in the apparel market as well as the machine shop. There we go. Charge extra for now. It's hand detailed by me. Alright. Now there's a pocket there in the front. So I had some new logos. I guess I didn't get those. Oh, that's heavy. This one's got bricks in it. This is more shorts tan. Ooh, we got some bright ones. That'd be yellow. Tan. There you go. Alright, well there's a sample. We'll have to get some posting of this stuff up next week or so. Anyway, if you want some shirts, get on the list. I don't know what I got. There might be only one of each size. There might be 20. Who knows? It's a surprise. Might only have half the size I ordered too. We have no idea what I got. Alright, that's it for now.